Hey everyone, I'm Laura and I work as a VA for the Daily Planners, and today I'm going to show you the new and highly anticipated student planner from the Versatile collection. So I'm going to dive right into it and let you discover the planner together with me. So this planner is dated from August 2022 till August 2023, but it also has undated templates included, so it can be used for forever basically. And you get the Monday and Sunday start with your purchase. If this is your first Versatile planner, it's important to know that with any Versatile planner bought, you get access to the Versatile Club and community, plus the TTP community. I'll tell you in a few what the Versatile Club exactly is. So let's take a look at all the templates you get with this planner. So if you click on these rings, you'll get brought to the template library, and if you click here, you come to the index. So the index brings you here to the yearly overview and like every month. So with every month, you get the monthly overview calendar, you get a monthly study plan. So this looks like that. You get your monthly assignment page, and you have a blank page which you can decorate with widgets, images, stickers, and whatever. Back to the index, you also have like paper templates which you can copy and paste to any page you'd like. So if you're new to GoodNotes or new to digital planning, I'll quickly show you how to copy and paste a page. So if you choose like this template, for example, you click here on the three dots and you go ahead and click copy page. If you click on those rings, make sure that edit mode is turned off. You just turn it off by clicking this pen icon here on the top right. And then you have like those custom tabs, custom linked pages, which you can add any paper templates from the planner or any template in general. And you just click on the plus and make sure after is highlighted, and then you just paste your page. So this is how you copy and paste pages in your planner. By clicking here the four cases here on the top left, you can always rearrange the pages, but make sure to just rearrange the pages that you copied and pasted. So don't rearrange any hyperlink pages, so all the templates and all the dailies, weeklies, and so make sure to rearrange just like your pasted page, so you don't mess up with any hyperlinks. So for the hyperlinks, these tabs are all clickable. So if you click on it, you'll come to your monthly overview. Here you also have all your templates, which are included in this planner, but you also get to your templates by clicking on those rings, and you'll have here a template library. So actually this planner is divided into semesters. So you have semester 1, semester 2, and for each semester you get like all those templates. So you have a homework tracker, you'll have a grade tracker, bookshelf kind of page, which I absolutely adore. This is so cute. You have like virtual meetings kind of pages. You have a word count tracker and a study round page. So each page is actually, you'll have this kind of button right here, which is also clickable. And if you click on it, it will bring you to the semester overview. So you'll have your class schedule here, you have your courses here, and you have this which you can date and actually keep track of your assignments or whatever you may want to track. And here you'll also come to the templates, which I already showed you. Okay, so it's the same thing for semester 2. And then you have like here more planning pages. And if you click on this one, it will bring you to the page which I showed you before, which is here. So we have a project planner, just looks like that. A focus plan, a meeting notes, essay planner, a study session template, which I absolutely adore. This is so cute. This planner really makes me want to go back to school, guys. You have an assignment sheet kind of template, which I also like how this looks like. We have the quarterly planner, a master to-do list, a exam prep, which also looks so cute. And you have like a brain dump kind of template. So because this is a study planner, TDP didn't really want to only include study related templates. So you also get like life planner templates. So you will have the health and wellness section with a daily check-in. You get a weekly check-in. You get a habit tracker, monthly stats of like your stress tracker and wellness trackers. You have this beautiful health dashboard that if you own other versatile planners, you may know those templates. You have this routines page, which I also absolutely love. And you have like those goals in chunks kind of template. So back to it, you also have finances, monthly finances. You get 2022 finances templates. You get 2023 finances templates and password subscriptions, a contact list, and school information and supplies. Also really, really nice. Admin. Okay, so this was admin, sorry. This was finances and this was admin, but you'll get it. We have then undated pages, so you get the daily page, the Sunday and recap page, the weekly planner and the monthly planner, also undated, so you can use it forever, this planner. You don't have to buy a newer version if you don't want to. You have the monthly study plan, monthly assignments, monthly custom, like this is the blank one, and the semester overview. You also get an undated. So I'm going to get to the fun pages. So the weekly planner and the daily planner, which I absolutely love. So if you go on your monthly overview, those are all clickable. So those bring you to the daily page, and here in your little monthly calendar, clicking on those bars brings you to the weekly planner. So this is how the weekly planner looks like. You have like a to-do list here. You have some space to track or write down anything. You have a study tracker for every day, and priorities, assignments due, and habits, notes. If you click here, it will bring you to the daily page. So the daily page looks like this. You have a schedule here on the side. You have your deadlines today, today's emoji, don't forget, sleep, track your sleep. to-do lists. You have this space right here and a space for notes, which it just looks so pretty, to be honest. Okay, so that's it, I think, for all the pages, right? One important thing is that if you get the planner here on the index page, make sure to check out this area. So if you click here on widgets, you get to the widgets on the Versatile Club. And to actually access the Versatile Club, you need the password. So it's here. Click here to show the password. If you click here, a Google document will open and you will find the password inside, which you can copy and paste it into the Versatile Club. So like here, widgets, Versatile Club, but you can also click here on the Versatile Club. It will bring you to the daily planners and you see it's password protected. So you type in the password and you will get instant access. And this is how it looks like. So you can read all of this. Here are some rules. Make sure the widgets are personal use only. And the nice thing about the Versatile Club is the amount of goodies you get. Like, I mean it. You get over 600 widgets for free. So you just purchase one planner, you get access to the whole library Versatile Club, which is a digital library. You get templates, widgets, and whatever Tess may add here, you get them all for free. So you have lifetime access. And yeah, so this is actually how it looks like. You have like versatile study widgets, which are also amazing. I'm gonna show them to you right now. You also get like business widgets, pink life widgets, ADHD friendly widgets. You get access to the templates of the other planners and you just add them to your planner. But I'm going to show you quickly how to download the widgets. So at this period of time where I filmed the video, the study planner widgets aren't in here yet. So I'm going to show you it with another pack. So we're just going to download the Pink Life widgets. You click either here on download GoodNotes widgets. If you have an Android, you click on download PNG widgets. But yeah, if you download this, then you click this thingy here, download, and it will prep to download. Once imported, this is how it looks like. So I have a few packs here, but the versatile Pink Life widgets, it just looks like this. So you can always copy and paste any widgets in your planner. You just take the lasso tool, make sure images is turned on. You just lasso it, copy and paste it into your planner. But I'm gonna show you now the TDP study widgets. So if you don't buy the study planner, you still get access to those widgets if you bought another versatile planner. Just to mention that. But here's how the study planner widgets look like. So yes. Okay, and that's it for the Versatile Study Planner flip through video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video has helped you get a better idea of all that's included in the planner. Please carefully read the information on the Etsy product images. You can read all about the compatibility there if you don't have an iPad, for example, or if you have an older iPad. Just make sure you have GoodNotes that works, or any other annotation app like Zoom Notes, Notability, Noteshelf. And yes, if you have any questions about the digital planner, make sure to check out TDP community over at thedailyplanners.com. You can ask any question there or read posts with inspiration or questions from other people in this community. You can also reach out to the daily planners directly on Etsy if you have questions about your purchase. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see us in the next one. Bye guys!